Meet Mrs. Diamond, a math teacher with an impossible task: to get warm-up answers from her freshman students. Meet Mrs. Diamond's math students, rowdy and chatty when class is over, but painfully silent when it's time to participate in math class. Meet the Wheel of Names, a torture device created to randomly call on students to involuntarily provide answers to said warm-up assignment. Today, Mrs. Diamond will spin the wheel to get the answer for warm-up question number 1. The students wait anxiously, hoping and praying the wheel will not land on their name. Kim and Jason are especially scared. Kim because she chose to fill up her water bottle instead of completing the warm-up assignment. Jason because even though he did do the warm-up, he is absolutely lost. What is the probability that the wheel will land on Kim or Jason? Time out. Let's talk probability. The probability of the wheel landing on Kim or Jason is called mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive events are two events that cannot happen simultaneously. In other words, if one event occurs, the other event is impossible. If the wheel lands on Jason for warm-up number 1, can it land on Kim for number 1 too? No, the wheel cannot land on two names at the same time, which is why this is a pair of mutually exclusive events. To calculate the probability of mutually exclusive events, we take the probability of event A and we add it to the probability of event B. Now, let's get back to that wheel. What is the probability that the wheel will land on Kim or Jason? Well, first we need to know the total number of possible outcomes, so we will count the number of names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are a total of 7 names on the wheel. Of those 7 names, how many of them are Kim? 1. So the probability of the wheel landing on Kim is 1/7. Of those 7 names, how many are Jason? Also 1. So the probability of the wheel landing on Jason is 1/7. Remember what we said about mutually exclusive events. The probability of A or B is equal to the probability of A plus B. So the probability of getting the wheel to land on Kim or Jason, we simply need to add their two probabilities together. 1/7 plus 1/7 equals 2/7. The probability of the wheel landing on Kim or Jason is 2/7, a pretty low chance. So Jason and Kim are relieved.